Jared just lost a fish.
Dang!
I saw it.
That was good too.
Cool. There we go. Got a micro bass. Look at how tiny this guy is. Maybe this is why you weren't hooking up. Look at him. He's so tiny. Alright guys, I just hooked up into a micro bass. Little tiny guy. But hey, I'm up to 2 fish. That's a cool feeling. Now that I'm next to you again, how many fish have you lost?
2.
Nice.
Lost 2 fish.
I've caught 2.
I see how it is. Yeah.
Let's go over by that current over there.
Yeah.
Should be fish over there. I gotta paddle like this so I'm in frame. So I hammocked yesterday. I was sleeping all night. Woke up with severely bad low back pain. 'Cause I guess since you're folded up like that all night. There we go, good fish. I think this might be a pick. Ah, that's why it felt good. It's a little pick, easy release.
Why wacky rig?
It exposes the hook more. I don't know why I'm yelling. So Jared just lost a fish.
Another one.
Another one. I think this is number 3, but this time he actually saw this one, so maybe he's gonna catch the next one. He's gonna try wacky rigging it instead of Texas rigging. So.
Oopsie.
Oh my gosh.
Stuck to my finger.
Cast it right next to me again. It's 5:20. We have 2 hours till sunset.
Okay.
That's awesome. Good fish. Really good fish. All right, guys. There we go. Nice largie right there. Check that bad boy out. On the inline spinner. For all you guys that say inline spinners don't catch bass, there you go. We're just fishing the current over here, where the current comes into this little pool. And we hooked into this guy. Cool little fella. Crazy shadows right now because the sun's going down, but you guys can tell. It's a nice little bass, no biggin'. But after a day of not catching fish, come here, catch 4 fish. It's pretty cool. Mwah. I'm gonna get a picture of him for Snapchat. Dude, Jared's into a fish. That was boring.
It was, because I'm too far away.
Well, that was cool. We both hooked up at the same time. Oh, dude, second cast, no, next cast.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, boy. Dude. It's fighting like a pickerel. I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's a bass. It's another bass that same size.
What number is that?
This is number 4 bass, 5th fish. Dude, 38 seconds.
Nice.
Another little bass. Cool, dude. Cool. Cool little bass. Let's release him. Dude, that was awesome. First cast after that last one. So yeah, just fish that opening right there.
Yeah.
Usually that end, that point right there is really, really good. There's like stand-ups.
Really?
Yeah, so that's where the fish like to chill. At least we got some fish. Not giants, but hey, makes me happy.
Catching fish, it's fun. It always puts a smile on your face, dude.
Yeah. You know, I went a month and a half without touching a fish. I was trying to catch a fish every month, and I didn't catch one in March. The last one I caught was before my missions trip. So I don't care the size, that's cool. Surprised I'm not catching anything right here. Yo, I had one right there. Right when it hit the water. Gotta be one more fish back there. All right, so this is what we're dealing with right now. This is the kind of conditions. Ready? So we got reeds over here. Reeds over here. So the current's coming in right here, and we're fishing this whole entire current area. We got a beautiful sky. Let's see if we can show you that blue sky. Nah. Beautiful sky, birds chirping all over, chilling with my buddies.
It's beautiful out, man.
It is gorgeous. Yeah.
Probably because the sun is setting. It's beautiful out here, man.
Yeah, this is awesome. If I could spend every day out on the water with these birds chirping, with this kind of temperature, with this sun, I don't know, man, I could just live out here forever. Got my hammock in the truck. I love I love the sound of these birds. It just brings me back to like my childhood when I was like going everywhere fishing. Man. What do you mean you don't know? Jared just said he saw something that's big. Is it a fish? Is it moving? Yo, that's a giant turtle, dude. Wow. Yeah. There's a muskrat coming right at me. There we go. Look at that. Nice splashing, jumping up. Yeah, man, that's cool. Look at that. Nice bass right there. There we go. Cool little guy. So yeah, they're stocked up over here. Just trying to get some bait fish over by the waterfall. Very cool fish. There we go. Oh, wow, this one's good. This one's a good fighter. It's probably a pickerel, either that or a big bass. Wow. Oh no, it's another decent little bass. This one has more of a belly though. Check that out. Cool. Fish number 3. Check it out. Another nice bass. Cool. Mwah. They're stacked up by this waterfall. All over here. Just fan casting this spill out. That last fish spun me around. Yeah, keep working, and then when we get closer to the waterfall, cast on the outer sides of it. Yo. Dude, that's a solid fish. Oh, crap. Wow, look at that fish. That's the biggest fish of the day. Nice, bro. That's a solid 2. Cool, so Jared just hooked up into a really, really nice bass. I'm gonna drop a Senko in there because that's what he's using. Oh! Oh! That was a big fish. He swam with it. Dude! Awesome. All right, when I release this fish, I'll show you guys what we're dealing with, where we're dropping these Senkos. So if you have anything like this near you, you know how to fish it, all right? That Wacky Rig 6-inch 6-inch Senko. Cool. So this is what we're dealing with right here. We got a spill off right here. And where we are targeting is right here on the edge of the spill off where all the bait fish would flow in, and all the big fish are hanging out right there to actually ambush the bait fish. So we're targeting over there, over here, and then when that's done, we're gonna work the middle right there. Oh! Oh! That was huge. It took the Senko. No way. No way. No way. Dude. I'm into a fish over here. I'm into a fish over the overpass. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's not my fish. This isn't the fish I first caught. I first caught a bass. I think the pickerel might have spooked the bass off the hook. And then oh my gosh, dude, that's crazy. No way. No way. Ah! I was unhooking that fish and the freaking waterfall poured water onto my kayak and went down my butt. Oh man. So I just casted over this, had a bass, and then the bass was spooked off by a pickerel, and then a pickerel went on. This lake is crazy. You want to get over there? We're gonna go up there. Yo, I'm going up. Alright, so we're gonna transport these over to this side of the lake and fish it for the last hour of sun. So, usually I do really well over there. So.
I just got hit. Come on. I think so.
Why can't I move it? So I caught a bunch of fish over on this side from this side. So what we're gonna do is try to fish this side the best we can. Maybe fish that spill off because I had a lot of hits there. I'm gonna record this way so that Jared, if he falls, I get it on video.
You ready?
I'm
so ready for this, dude.
So we're just gonna fish till sunset. Maybe after that, try some chatterbait action. But check out my butt. Check that out. Soaking wet. Because that waterfall spilled all over my kayak. Yeah, they're gonna get all muddy. There you go, good job. All right, I'm gonna get into my kayak and get out of the way, so. All right, let's get back to fishing. Let's fish from up here down. That way the fish don't know we're down there. We can't spook them if we're up here. I'm gonna fall.
Filming?
Yeah. Try to stay as right as possible.
I don't think so.
So what we're doing is fishing right in the overspill. That way we can cast where all the fish are without spooking them. That's why we came up here. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. I'm in. I'm in. I'm in. I'm into a fish backwards. Oh man. Dude, there's another one right there. A pick. Stop splashing water on me. Second pick of the day, caught right there, like the last one.
There, you said?
Yeah, there's another one that hopped right there. I cast backwards. That was awesome. All right, so we are gonna head down this waterfall. Hopefully we don't tip. That would be very bad. I have very expensive gear on here. Let's hope for the best. All right, I'm gonna keep you guys down low. I'll get my GoPro running. I'm stuck. All right, I'm down.
Oh my gosh.
How did you manage that?
Dude, these weeds.
My fishing pole is right there. How are you gonna get that?
You watch.
Yeah, okay. Waste your time fishing. I'm gonna go catch fish.
Take an oar and grab it up.
Take this. And it feels weird to walk. My back is killing me. I'm gonna grab the truck, we're gonna load it, we're gonna go home, find my wallet, and then go out to eat. Champions! That's what we are.